Grandad.
Grandad?
Yeah.
Black guy?
Yeah.
Nice. I've seen him earlier.
You seen him earlier?
Yeah.
He let me down, bro.
Well, guys, I got to be back in my care room for 9 o'clock. I can't go. I got to be back in my care room. I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Hey, what's going on?
We're playing football.
Yeah,
well, we have to be fast, bro, because game starts at 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, come.
Come.
Come, lad. Ready now, we're ready. We're ready, boys. We've got 5. Fam, doesn't matter. Leave that, fam. Go, get him. I'm going to give you food, bro. Don't worry.
Yo. Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Finally, guys. Finally got 5. What tunes do you want on?
Anything.
Boss, put the tunes on, lad. Where's Grandad? We don't know where Grandad is from. That's dead, bro.
97.5 FM.
97.5 FM, bro. Where's Grandad? We can't find Grandad. I think Grandad went home, bro.
Now, innit? Colin's going to smoke a quick cigarette, yeah? Because that's my go-ahead, go for, yeah?
No, we're going to win.
I know you're going to lose by a smoke. Do you know people who smoke cigarettes? Oh,
Remember the football and we win. I'm guessing.
Hey, guys, take some water. Take some water, bro. Yeah, you guys ready? Let's go, bro. Bro, you need to put the thing away, bro. You need to put the alcohol away, bro. Come on, man.
We need the mix up.
Fam, you need water, bro. Come
I've
on
got
now.
my water.
Fam, I'll top defenders drinking, fam.
mine,
Come on,
bro.
lads. No water? Water?
Are we playing football?
We're playing football, bro.
I don't drink.
Yes, bro.
Genuinely promise.
I don't drink alcohol. I gave it up. I used to be an alcoholic, you know?
I brought you some supply.
Yeah. So what's this going on YouTube?
Hey, listen, have you got
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's have a...
What you do with that? Fam, put that away, bro. Come on, man.
It's okay.
No, hey,
A little joint, alright. I'll show you the free football. I'm a great footballer. Sure, play football.
Yes, we're playing football.
Come here.
Hey, where's the field, bro? Where's the field?
Are you on the field?
I don't know, where is it?
Where's the toilets?
Where's the toilet? I don't know where the toilet is. Where's the toilet? In there, bro. Yeah, I think the toilet's in there. We've got about 20 minutes before kick off.
That's a fucking long time. 20 minutes. We've got time to
Then you want to warm up and like...
Where's the guy?
Oh, brother, I didn't know warm up.
We got 20 minutes. We're definitely playing football. Fever. In there, man. I got too much in my face. Turn my post contacts. One place, one vote, and careful place will go. Why is it okay for me? It's over, you know. And so the Kyla, hello, darling. There is no place in life where I would rather be. Jesus Christ, praise the best. He's like that wins the crown. We always fight her one by one, step by step. Step by step. Right. Harry, how you doing? One by one.
Smoke.
Through the belly.
Oh, stain on your shirt.
You got to take your hat.
It's your own Man, say, man, you, man, leave that alone. He's staying in it. Leave me on that one. He's staying on his shirt. I got to be careful what I'm saying on that.
You don't have to be careful with this one, bro. Okay?
Yes, I do.
You don't have to be careful with that one. Leave it like that, bro, okay?
Alright, I've got to get up toilet.
Where are you going now?
I'm going for a piss.
Why every day you go for this?
Can't piss it. I can't piss where you are.
I thought you went to go toilet.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Another one.
Right, fam, I'm having a spliff, bro. I'm having a fag, bro.
Another one, bro. Come on, man, we got a game in like 10 minutes, bro.
Yeah, that's alright, I'm having a fag, bro.
Oh, lad.
Come on, bro. You just recruited a bunch of pissers from Nottingham City Centre. Fuck's sake. What do you expect?
I heard you 5-0 against us. You're betting against us already. I just heard you.
5-0 us. He said 5-0
You're going
us.
to try and rob us.
5-0 us.
You're betting against us.
Nah, he's not betting against us, bro.
Can't bet against me, bro. I'll play defense and goal.
My man gone. I can't be chipped. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sat here waiting for everybody else. Where's everybody else?
Where's your boy gone, bro?
Where's everybody else?
Where's your boy gone?
Where's everybody else? I told everybody I was sat here, I'm on my own, bro.
This is terrible, bro.
No, don't beat me up on my own.
Oh.
Eat.
We got this, bro. Okay, let's go. Come on, lads. Where's your boy gone, though?
Right, everybody be here. I know they won't leave me. Oh, I'm hoping they fucking don't. Where are they? Where's everybody else? 1, 2. Serious. Yo, this actually seems quite serious, bro. Man, they're taking chimpanzees and football boots and everything, bro.
Come on, bro.
Is this actually this serious?
Yeah,
We've got 4 misfits.
So I need to take these off.
We've got 4 misfits.
4 misfits. Yeah. I know we have, yeah.
4 misfits.
Well, they're betting on it. Listen, yeah, I got
We need 5.
I'll carry you. Don't worry. I got this. We need us
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you gonna put it on or what?
No, you can't put that on.
Why'd you take it off?
Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
We're good.
What day?
Who's the goalkeeper? Manager's got
But only for this football, you're the manager.
Yeah, man.
Well, I swear to God. You've got to stop eating the sandwich. You're going to get stitched. This is serious.
Huh?
This is serious.
I can kick a ball, bro.
Take it inside.
Yeah, of course.
We're not going to win anything, but we're taking the piss out.
Yo, people think I can't play football, bro. If people think I cannot play football, bro, they're stupid, bro.
You want an orange? Last orange?
Where's the second pair? Number 2. Are we a team or we're playing?
The team. That's the team there, lad. That's the team there.
Yeah, we're playing
That's what
again.
I'm saying, bro.
On my day.
It's alright, lad.
Yeah. It's actually quite a tournament that we're actually involved in.
Huh?
And I can't play, I can't fucking see straight, never mind about fucking play straight.
What do you mean you can't see straight? I told you not to have so many fags, bro.
I ain't telling them any fags.
I like orange. Are they mandarins? Are they orange or mandarins? I don't know what they are. And the mandarins are tangerines. I'm not steaming. What's up? See, the makota makata 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 attack. Pardon? Please. See, begging upon them and sneeze. Chill community, honestly. Especially away from these. Every day, it's a Kevin Fairs. Oh, the God he cares. Jehovah God who gave his Christ. Only because son of you born. For being empty inside and alone. This way you say, my son, you follow. You are the way, the truth, the light tomorrow. Starts the day and I want someone in yellow. Rainbows and colors and wood and sword. But I'm a person I see that. Pardon the police and I'm posting the powder by Kata the Honda I hate it. Tita Makota now I'm the horse of garden, please. Communication, the president, the horse, and the casa of me fears. But to God, I surely I must guess, I gotta make driving on. Not that I'm a destination, equal the holiday does to be strong. What's on the mean? Hi, Celine. I don't know, please, I'll leave. Why do you get here if you're not gonna play? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sure.
We ain't got a ball, we ain't trained, we ain't done
Why you
nothing.
guys here without football?
God, I just fancy the ball, bruv. How do you want this to fall if we got a ball?
Sorry, I'm out here, Hongo, silly in a jungle. Sorry, my sorry, never one city. Avec le mal, but the man constant in the whole day, she father. Telling me, oh, you tell my soul to you, see, hon go to the house, called toy and darling wood. Bad boy, and I'm good. Bad boy, and I'm good. Do it in I'm good. Did it, my, you know, good, even I don't know. Sorry,
love. You okay? Ready? You want some water? Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Oh, unlucky. Shoot! Tackle him! Bad! That was my fault. Sorry, I'm sorry. 1 now. Come on, quick. Sorry, pass. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're my team.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you doing? Fucking tackling on the team. Good tackle. I'll go and go. I'll go and go. I'll go. To it.
You're free kick today. Come on. Yeah, you're scoreboard. You're scoring today, mate.
No.
Hey, what's your name?
Seriously.
Yeah, I know what you said.
Shall I go? Go on, lad.
Hey, he's busy with it. He's busy with it.
Come here.
Go away.
Go off.
Oh, wait up.
Tony was going to get a little.
Yes, good keeper. Good job, keeper.
Yes, keeper. Someone clip that. New VAR on that one. Send it in.
Ref. Yeah. Oh, lad. Ah, lad. It's not looking good, bro.
We're winning.
7-4.
We're winning 7-4.
We're losing, bro. We're losing.
We're winning. It's winning. You have to need that winning mentality. Lads.
Ash, get me back on, so I'm telling you. I'll do a bit.
I'll do a bit. I'll do a lot. We'll do a lot. You get me? We'll do a lot.
Yes, Lee, I love it. Yeah!
clapping, he's keeping his hands on.
Hey! Keep. Yo! Hey!
He scored. Did he score? Or he scored?
He let a goal in. His own goal. Let's go!
I've got a fucking action, boy. Come on.
Star boy.
Come on.
Man, the reason why the kids are on is because two man dropped off them.
I only wanted one of them.
You know it is as well. He's the only one that's actually played the whole game and played. Actually, AstroTurf has still.
Yo, take him lids.
Yeah, he needs their lids.
Ah, unlucky, bro. Unlucky. Keep going.
Catford on it. A new